Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain about the gene transfer mechanism continuation video. This is okay. So this is about liposome mediated gene transfer. In the last video, I have explained about liposome mediated gene transfer. Okay, the last video I have explained about the other methods of the gene transfer. So that is example micro injection. That is micro injection method, and also you will be having the different kinds of chemical mediated method, and pulse electrofield is given. So these kind of the method I have given you in this liposome mediated gene transfer. Okay, now I am going to explain about liposome mediated gene transfer. So this liposome meaning is, if you are seeing the lipid bilayer of cell membrane of this is liposome mediated cell membrane. Okay, so this lipid bilayer, and along with this it is present with the protein and phospholipids of the cell membrane, which is making the artificial liposomes. Okay, this is an artificial liposomes is made by the phospholipids, that is made by the phospholipid. This phospholipid is making artificial vesicle called liposome. Okay, so the phospholipid which is present in the cell membrane of the plant cell or the bacterial cell or the animal cell, which is making an artificial phospholipid circle or the vesicle, is called liposome. Is called the liposome. This liposome plays a very major role and important role in the useful in the transfer of gene transfer. Okay. Gene transfer, it is essential to do the thing. Okay. So this liposome which is interact with the plant cell. Suppose this is a plant cell and this is a nucleus that you know, and this is a vacuole, and vacuole is surrounded by the tonoplast. That is, tonoplast means that is vacuole which is surrounded by the vacuole which is surrounded by a layer or the layer called wall called tonoplast. Okay, so tonoplast. Okay, I told you this liposome that plays a major role in the gene transfer into the plant cell, in the plant cell or the host cell. This is nucleus and this is endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. So chloroplast, all those things is there in the plant cell. Okay, how it is easily entered and helping to transfer the DNA means, this lysosome is a vesicle. This vesicle which is coming under, it is inserting the DNA into the plant cell. So it is inserted into the DNA with encapsulated formation. That is, this liposome which is entered into the plant cell. So this is the liposome which is entered into the plant cell along with our desired DNA or the DNA insert. Okay, this DNA containing liposome which is actually having the DNA which is encapsulated, that is, it is having a DNA insert that is encapsulated, that is, it is covered by some capsule. Okay, so that it is covered by some capsule, it is covered by some capsule. So this capsule or this capsulated or the encapsulated or covered DNA, which is why it got the encapsulated means, you can ask me the question, because this tonoplast or the vesicle and surrounded by the tonoplast, this vesicle consisting of acidic pH as well as it is having some enzymes like protease. This enzyme have the tendency to denature or disintegrate our DNA. So that can be avoided by the DNA get capsulated or covered it. Okay, and how the DNA which is entered into the vesicle of this plant, that is because of this tonoplast of this vesicle and liposome vesicle get fused, and the DNA which is entered into the vesicle. So the way it is entered into the plant cell. Okay, so the liposome which is fused with the tonoplast, so that the DNA is injected enter into the cell, so that called as an liposuction. What is that called? Liposuction. So this is about your liposome mediated gene transfer. So next type of gene transfer is biolistics. What is that called? Biolistics. Okay. In this biolistics, as it is like a gun method. Okay, it is a gun or a shotgun method. It is also called shotgun method or it is also called projectile shotgun method. Why it is called like that? Because they will be using a something like gun like apparatus. Okay, so this is making a, here they are using the 1 to 3 micrometer size of the gold or the tungsten particles. Gold or the tungsten particle they will be using for to coat this on this size of the gold or the tungsten particle. They will coat the DNA on this particle, so that this gold particle which is shooting on this plate, on this through which the hole, and also here we have the our tissue cells, the tissues or the cells of the target plants or the tissue cells, whatever the cells, whatever the tissue or the whole host we want to insert our gene into the tissue or the cells, our target tissue will be, or the plant cell will be keeping here. Okay, plant cell or the plant tissues which is keeping here, so that it is a gun shooting method. Record it is shooting there in the very speed. Okay, 1 to 3 micrometer size of the gold or the tungsten particle coated with our DNA insert, which is making the shotgun on the target tissue or the plant cell, so that it is entered into the cells. So this is one kind of the gene transfer. So with this I will complete the gene transfer method. Okay, thank you.